Nikana kuri thirikari ya gutafania mirurungano no imwe ya njira iria mutongoria wa AZIMIO Raila Odinga ahuthirire igeria-ini ria kurugamia watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 no na thengia ya mageria make watho uyu muthiani wahitukire amwe aria maikirie watho uyu kura aria bunge kuma gicigo kia Nyanza.
Haya
no riu ambunge aya ni maronekana kuregana na watho uyu murugamo wao kiraraka Odinga akiuga meno Uhinga.
I was shocked and surprised to see some members of parliament from the region who voted for that bill now rising up and opposing the implementation of that bill. Shame on them. Shame on them.
Raila ugite oguthukira urito watho uyu ni kuonanirie ni andu eyendi matarashairira muingi kana kurumbuiania na mafataro mao.
But what also surprised me was that the member of parliament for this constituency also voted for that bill. Karoli Omondi, did you send him to vote for that bill? Ne worry.
Kiuria kia itemiriria Raila eguthie na mbere kunyita utetini wa bururi kungikinyania yukia utongoria kadri-ini ya urumwe wa mabũrũri ma Afrika gigithie na mbere kwiyumiria. Odinga no akinyiririe gutigirira maria mothe maiguanirio ni kamiti ya wiguano ni mahingio.
Team has agreed one that the issue of IBC will be constituted with our participation, that we must approve the names of those who are going to be members of IBC. Two, we have agreed that the server is going to be opened.
Raila MWENA atongoria kiama-ini kia ODM mihang'o-ini ya kwandikithia amemba kiama-ini giki athiriti yake magikinyiriria wona Odinga ayukia utongoria kadri-ini ya AUC kiama kia ODM gitikwenyenyeka.
Party leader remains Raila Amolo Odinga, and we are disciplined like the military. If Raila Amolo Odinga flies to Addis Ababa, we have our deputy party leader Iluongo ni Ngawa Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya.
So msiwe na wasiwasi yoyote ati baba anaondoka, ati anaenda AU, ati chama itaenda chini. Hapana.
Mimi nataka kuambia kwamba 2027 baba bado yuko. Kama baba hata kwako, I'm the next president of this country.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.